This TIS-pioneered and patented VDI system photographs all the four sides of every vehicle at the entry and exit. The photographed images are saved in the server to protect the parking operator in case any damage were to occur to the car in the garage. Better customer relationship, a more reliable parking management system, a more dependable system against claims. The vehicle exterior photographing system relieves the operator from unnecessary arguments with customers by presenting clear evidence.